Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the headphones ready. Charge them and confirm they have latest firmware because stability matters. Next, make sure the Ps5 will accept audio via a relay. You'll use a phone or PC as a Bluetooth bridge. Once done, enable Bluetooth on that intermediary and put the AirPods Max into pairing state by holding the noise control button until the LED pulses. This is the first actionable link between the headphones and the console through your device. You now build the bridge. Pair AirPods Max to your phone or PC and confirm audio output plays through them. Then route that device's audio from the Ps5 signal. Use PS Remote Play on the phone or PC, or plug the device into the Ps5 via USB and enable USB audio if supported. Make sure the Remote Play app's audio is output to Bluetooth headphones. This step transfers console sound through your intermediary to the AirPods Max. You finish by confirming Ps5 audio settings, point to the intermediary device, and set volume levels. If possible, plug the phone/PC into the Ps5 with a cable to reduce latency, and then select that device as output. This tightens timing and prevents dropouts. Make sure microphone pass-through is enabled if you need voice chat. If you experience stutter or disconnects, repair the AirPods Max, restart the Remote Play app, and check Bluetooth interference as the primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.